Bit of firing desk view. These are set pieces. This is the windmill. Just mount to a box. There, look. And then we've got our waterfall, which is 20 conical fountains. All quick matched. Oh yeah. This is the Stegosaurus. We've got 36 mines on there, look. One of the big candle bundles in the background. This is the Mega Monster Cake. 120 trailing tails. Comes along this side on fast visco, like 30 of them. And then we're on to quick visco strips, all queued from a strip of quick match. This is the rocket rack then. 10 rocket crowns. Super fast visco into my mesh rocket rack. Left cake board shot. The monster cake. Time delay fuse in that end. Stegosaurus. 36 mines. Quick visco, so it should go in a fan. Center firing position. Candle bundles, big fanned cakes. Right hand board position. Rocket rack in the background. These are all on super fast visco. Bundles with a leader.